This is a 5-bedroom, 4.5-bathroom house with a 3-car garage and a loft. It has an attached Casita with a separate entrance, which is called Next Gen. It's like a home within a home. We're in the community Shadow Rock, which is in Jurupa Valley, California. We will be viewing the Lennar Homes Exploration Next Gen model home, showcased with optional builder upgrades. Come join me in this beautiful model house tour. The open floor plan 2-story home measures approximately 4,125 square feet. You really notice all the attention to detail Lennar Homes put into designing this gorgeous home. The great room has high ceilings, recessed lights, an elegant fireplace, and large windows that really bring the light in. The dining area is right off the kitchen and would make a great place to gather for meals. It has a large sliding glass door to the backyard. And the backyard feels so tranquil and peaceful. If you're a gardening enthusiast like me, you're probably already thinking of what you would like to plant first. If you're planning on selling your home in the Southern California area and would like me to represent you, please let me know. Your home will be featured on my channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. The kitchen has beautiful countertops, white shaker-style cabinets, and a modern backsplash. This home is featured with stainless steel appliances, such as a double oven, microwave, dishwasher, and a stove. It has a large center island with pendant lighting, a stainless steel sink, and a breakfast bar, which is great for casual dining or when you want a quick bite to eat. Here is the first of the garages, with room for 2 cars. The downstairs powder room features a pedestal sink and a toilet. Off the side of the kitchen, there's a pantry, ready to be filled up with your favorite snacks. If you have a friend who loves model house tours, please share this video with them, and if you want to search for new homes like this, I'll put a link in the description below. Next to the staircase, there's a closet with extra storage, which is clever and perfect for storing holiday decor or cherished items that you otherwise wouldn't want to keep in the garage. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. Now let's go view the upstairs. Check out this loft. It's a great area for studying, working, or relaxing. This home also includes heating and air conditioning. What's your favorite room so far in this dazzling home? Please let me know in the comments below. The first bedroom is carpeted and has a window with a view to the backyard. It also has a walk-in closet. This beautiful home also includes green features, such as dual-pane energy-efficient low-E glass windows, water-conserving plumbing fixtures, LED lighting, and a tankless water heater. The second bedroom is carpeted, has a window, and a closet as well. The guest bathroom has dual sinks, cabinets, and 2 private water closets. This water closet has a toilet and a shower. And this water closet has a toilet and a shower in the bathtub. The third bedroom has a lighting fixture, a couple of windows, is carpeted, and has a closet as well. The flooring in the hallways are very good for foot traffic, and the baseboards throughout look very nice. The laundry room has washer-dryer hookups, linen shelves, and cabinets for all your supplies. The master bedroom, which is also called an owner's suite, is quite impressive. It is situated away from the other bedrooms. It has windows and a lovely chandelier. It would be a perfect place to relax at the end of the day. It also has a gorgeous master bedroom retreat with a window and a lighting fixture. A great spot to read the newspaper in the mornings or watch TV in the evenings. The upscale ensuite master bathroom has cabinets, a vanity, and dual sinks with chrome faucets. Look at this luxurious oversized bathtub. Doesn't it look relaxing? It also has a separate clear glass enclosed shower with chrome fixtures. There is also a private water closet with a toilet and an exhaust fan. Another fantastic feature the owner's suite has is this large master walk-in closet. It has shelves with both single and double pulls, with plenty of room for both winter and summer clothes, shoes, and accessories. Now let's go view the Next Gen private suite. It is connected to the main house, but also has its own private entrance. They will be building approximately 120 homes at Exploration at Shadow Rock, with parks, picnic areas, and trails. It is located near shopping and dining centers, the Mission Inn Hotel and Spa, and the University of California, Riverside. It is also close to the 60, 91, and 10 freeway. The Next Gen portion of the home has its own private entrance and its own one-car garage. The multi-generational suite has a kitchenette with a sink and a microwave too. It has direct access to the one-car garage and a living room area with front yard views. It also has a cozy dining area. Isn't this home absolutely gorgeous? And there's more to see. You will also find a bedroom with a light fixture, windows, and a sliding glass door to the backyard. It also has a large walk-in closet. The Next Gen suite also has a retreat, great for curling up with a book, doing some crafting, or surfing the web. The Next Gen has a private bathroom with a shower, cabinets, sink, and a toilet. It even has its own laundry room with shelves and washer-dryer hookups. You will even find a coat closet too. If you enjoyed this video, you'll like these as well. And if you're in the Southern California area thinking of selling your home, please call me, Suzy Valentin, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.